Alright guys, so for this video in the course, I want to show you, this is not a very good example, but the reason I bought this storage unit is actually because I want to keep an item that's in here. So one cool thing about storage unit buying, guys, is you can keep items for yourself. I rarely keep items for myself, but I saw this. It's basically a baby jogger. And this is the item that I want to keep for my little kiddos, and hopefully it's all there. So that's one of the reasons I bought this storage unit, guys. Paid $200 for it. With fees, it was like 250 bucks. And so this is, the beautiful thing about storage units is you're gonna find stuff like this that you can get that is really cheap or cheaper than buying it in the stores. This is something that I wanted. So typically I wouldn't buy the storage unit, but since that was in there and I was on the market looking for one myself, decided to grab it. So remember, cleaning supplies, you're gonna get a lot of cleaning supplies, a lot of kitchen, a lot of holiday stuff, Christmas, Halloween. You're gonna find a lot of stuff in storage units that you're like, I use this on a daily basis, or I would love this, and you will then keep it. And so you save a lot of money buying storage units. So I know this video doesn't have a lot of substance, but I wanted to convey to you that when you buy storage units, also think of the fact that you're gonna save a lot of money. Like we get a lot of Ziploc bags, a lot of garbage bags, cleaning supplies. This stuff adds up, and it's really common in storage units to find this type of stuff. So a lot of times you can keep it and save money. And it's also stuff that doesn't really have a lot of value, but since you don't have to buy it, it saves you a ton of money. It just doesn't have a lot of resale value. So keep that in mind. So this is just a fun video for the course. I just wanted to kind of show you guys that yes, you can buy stuff as long as you're not a hoarder and it's stuff you're going to use. Keep it and you know, save money. So that's what this video is all about. Stay tuned for more videos. Bonus footage on this video. It is easy to be a hoarder, okay? When you buy storage units, there's gonna, at the very beginning, especially when I was new buying storage units, there was a lot of stuff that I wanted to keep, and that I did keep. You realize quickly as you buy more and more storage units that it almost changes your mindset from, you know, procuring items to more experiences, for me at least. Like people, when you buy these storage units, it's sad that people are losing this stuff, but you realize that it's kind of a burden lifted off your shoulders when you don't have as much stuff. But at the very beginning, we're all guilty of it as storage unit buyers. We hoard a lot of it, especially knickknacks and different things like that. So realize that at the very beginning, you're probably gonna keep more than you should. But as you continue to buy storage units, you'll keep less and less and less stuff, typically. But it's really easy to be a hoarder, so you just gotta realize that. And but the stuff that I keep is the stuff that, you know, you buy on a monthly basis. Cleaning supplies, you know, kitchenware, kitchen stuff. You'll find a lot of that you can keep and save you some money.